writing code. Everything's been going well. As you can see, I've been using full screen for a little while. Yeah, and just give me a little second, few seconds while I get set up here. I probably have the sound off. I'm going to start the Justin.tv stream now. And we'll see how that goes. Yeah. So, with a little bit of luck, everything's working. Today we're doing something a little bit special. We just had a code freeze. That means that we can't commit changes. And the reason you do that is because when we're about to release, for 3 different platforms especially, we want to make sure they all have the same code base. So what we're going to do today is be building the release. And fortunately there's a lot of stuff done to help us out already. And 1 second, I have to check the Justin.tv stream. I usually do it the other way. I set the Justin.tv stream up, and then I do the YouTube stuff. But today I got a little mixed up. So let me get to the right directories. I think I'm going to use this one. Yeah, we'll say Audacity. This will be one of the windows I'll use. Make sure I have, yeah, so this one's free. Now the problem with this particular Audacity is that this is my dev branch, so it probably has stuff in it. For Linux, it's a lot simpler. All we have to do is wrap it up, and it's worth, I think it's worth getting a, sorry, gotta set up these windows. They have to be small. There we go. How about that? Is that on the screen? Oh, I can see it in Justin.tv now. I gotta check the sound, so give me a second. Hopefully it's all right. I don't hear any sound, but it's muted. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, we don't have to worry about sound. It's been about a week since I streamed. I've been experimenting. I've been going back to doing it the old-fashioned way. And that actually, I'm not sure which one is more productive. I mean, I got a lot done this week, if you're interested in the iPhone app stuff. But enough talking about that. Let's talk about building release tarballs Linux Audacity. So I don't actually have to do so much. Most of the stuff is already set up for me. I just have to follow and copy paste, hopefully, a few command lines. Last time I did the release was my first time doing the Linux release, and I got a bit tripped up. Yeah, they have these scripts. We have the Unix to DOS, and we have all these things. Yeah, so we're gonna get a clean checkout, and I've already done that. Then we just run this guy, and I don't know, quiet. Why they do quiet? I would like it not quiet. Yeah. But the great thing about Tarball is we don't have to have any binaries. So here that's my work Audacity, and I have a Git SVN called Git Audacity, and this one I just use for reading. I wonder if you can see the bottom of this window. Yep, just barely. So what was I gonna do? Yeah, so we'll do a Git Git diff first. It's a bit slow, no? Git log. Yeah, that's in SVN. Now we can do a git pull and get the most current. Git pull origin master. It's been a little while. Git pull remote. Origin. Whoa, what's going on? Git pull origin remote. Git pull. Git svn. What is it? Update? Shoot. I haven't used git svn before, so I'm not familiar. Git svn. It's not pull? Alright, it would be svn up. I don't think I can type git svn up. We'll try it. Arg. Okay, now we have to do the newbie, and what we can do is say git svn. Yeah, it's probably there's a good page that had like equivalent listings. What's the equivalent of git of svn up? This is what we want. Commit -a git pull. Well, we don't have anything to commit. Do I have to type something like git log? How do you get the refs? This is pretty crappy. I thought I had this down and that I could just do a git pull. Sorry. Yeah, I thought this was going to be the way to do it. Now, it'll just take a little bit of work, but it'll be worth it. Git pull follow source. That's what I want. So what's the source? You see a source? Head. I don't see. Sometimes over here there's like a. Yeah, what's the deal? Git pull head. Can you try that? That sounds wrong. Git pull master. Okay, this is what you do. Oops, wrong one. Then what does git pull give you? Do I have to give the URL every time? It's git svn pull, right? Git svn. Yeah, what I want is git svn. Yeah. Keep forgetting it's git svn and it's not just git. That's the danger here, I guess. As long as there's no dangerous false cognitives. Okay, so once you got... What is this? Git svn fetch. Is that it? This isn't... I don't know if I like this tutorial. So git commit is normal, but git svn rebase will update your local checkout. Ooh, that so decommit is push, rebase is to bring your local tree up to date and do the merging. Yeah, I need equivalent update. Okay, here is probably a good one. Git pull svn update. No, I want git svn. Git svn update. How do you do that? Git svn fetch. Okay, we'll try that. That's like I wonder why they do that. That's a third command. I guess it's a little safer if it's a third command. Oh, look, it's working. Thank God. Okay, while we were doing all that, I should have been working on the Mac too. So let me see if my Mac connection is still working. It's been about a week since I looked at the connection, so I'm not expecting too much. Actually, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so that's working. I'm gonna have to open up Xcode. Well, first open the terminal. Do svn up there. Let that go. While that's running, I'll open up Xcode. I think I will close my Xcode 4 just in case. Yeah, so do I want to reject something permanently? I probably want to accept it permanently. Seem to change their keys a lot. Alright. And while that's going on, okay, so the Linux one finished. Now we can just run the script. I'm going to double check the instructions to make sure there's nothing more complicated than just running the script. Yeah, look at audacity.h. Let's just look at it really quickly. Oh no, we're in scripts. Yeah, so you can see version 2.0.0. Great, that sounds wonderful. Let's go back into scripts. So now, following these directions here, we just have to run .scripts this, make tarball.sh. So we have to do it from the main directory. Yeah, let's make sure these are executable. Let's run it. Boom. Last time I ran make tarball without the .sh, and that is a bad idea. Do not do that. Huh? Okay. How about quiet? So now it's going to do the configure for me. So I don't have to worry about any of that, which is wonderful. I hate writing configure stuff. Because when you mess up, you have to wait so long. Yeah. Alright, so let's now build Audacity. Let's just build it the old-fashioned way and make sure it still builds. And while we're doing that, sorry.